Ever wondered how to earn an extra $200 or more in just an hour? Welcome to Fortune Trail. Today, we're uncovering the lucrative world of one-on-one brand interviews. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide. Participating in online surveys is a great way to make some extra cash, but if you're looking for more substantial earnings, one-on-one brand interviews are the way to go. Unlike typical surveys, these interviews allow companies to gain deeper insights from your experiences and opinions, and they pay significantly more for your time. Step 1. Find the right platforms that connect you with these high-paying interviews. One of the most reputable sites for this is Respondent.io. This platform matches you with companies looking for in-depth feedback. Signing up is straightforward, but make sure to complete your profile thoroughly to increase your chances of qualifying for interviews. Step 2. Once you're signed up, you'll need to browse through available projects. The key here is to find interviews that match your expertise and interests. Keep in mind, qualifying for these interviews can be more challenging than standard surveys. You'll often need to fill out a pre-screening questionnaire to determine if you're a fit for the study. Don't get discouraged if you don't qualify for every opportunity. Persistence is key. Step 3. Preparation is crucial. Once you've been selected for an interview, make sure you understand the topic and any specific instructions provided. For example, if you're being interviewed about your use of a particular product, think about your experiences and be ready to share detailed feedback. Companies value honest, thoughtful insights. Step 4. On the day of the interview, find a quiet, distraction-free space. Interviews typically last about an hour and can be conducted via video call or phone. During the interview, be open and detailed in your responses. Remember, the more valuable your feedback, the more likely you are to be selected for future interviews. Step 5. Let's look at potential earnings. If you participate in 2 interviews per week, each paying $200, you could earn an extra $1,600 per month. This is a significant boost compared to standard online surveys. Respondent.io, for instance, often lists interviews with compensation ranging from $100 to $300 per hour, depending on the complexity and requirements of the study. Step 6. To maximize your opportunities, regularly check the platform for new projects and keep your profile updated. Additionally, being professional and punctual in your interactions will help build a good reputation, increasing your chances of being selected for more interviews. One-on-one brand interviews are a fantastic way to earn substantial extra income. They require more effort than typical surveys but offer much higher rewards. If you're looking for more ways to make money online, check out our video on making money by testing apps and websites with which you can earn over $1,120 monthly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on boosting your financial well-being. Thanks for watching.